was, yeah? Greg really wished he could be here in order to present this movie to us. We're all very proud of it. But on his behalf, we hope that you enjoy it, and we hope you have a great experience.
Alors voilà, Greg Araki, qui est le réalisateur du film, a vraiment aimé être là ce soir pour vous présenter.